This is our Snow No More memory foam pillow, and it's made by Hudson. Many people snore at night, and the reason they snore is there's an obstruction of the airway. This pillow is designed to help those people. As you can see, it provides for an anatomically correct positioning of the patient's head and their neck so that their airway is open and they snore less. And it's very forgiving and very comfortable. It's self-molding, it's temperature sensitive, and it readjusts with every move. If you are a snorer, or you know of a snorer, and they need help, please come to cityofsleep.com and check out the Snow No More Polar Foam Memory Foam Pillow by Hudson.